None of the lighting effects in these shots are real, and today I'm going to show you which light I used to pull this off. Cue the unboxing sequence. What's up, gang? My name is Nate. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Neewer HB80C Video Light. Now, just a little disclaimer, I am not a lighting pro. I know the very basics of lighting for video and filmmaking, so that's the angle I'm going to be coming from today. Let's just get into all the main features that I love about this light, and maybe, just maybe, you'll like these things too, and you'll also want to get the light. All right, number one, it's small, it's compact, comes in a cool little carrying case. I'm gonna reach back here for it. I got it set up over here. That's probably not good for my camera to look right at the light, huh? It's really small, even has this little handle you can attach to the bottom so you can kind of hold it like a little gun. Pretty small, handheld, makes it easy to put it realistically wherever you want. You could even have somebody on set hold this. Number two, this is the main draw for me. This light is completely wireless and the battery is built into the light. So you can just charge it up. Once you get it to a full charge, take it off the cable and you can put this light anywhere. I can just set it up, mount it to my stand and move it wherever I need. Now this light does come with a cable, so if you do start to run out of battery, you can always just plug it in and run an extension cord if you need to, but I love the flexibility that I don't need to do that. And yeah, you could buy lights that have batteries that you could charge that just plug right into the back, and that allows it to be wireless and portable. I just like that this light doesn't need to have batteries plugged into it. It makes it feel a little more portable and a little more, or should I say a little less heavy. Number three, this light connects directly to your phone. Neewer has an app that you can connect all your Neewer lights directly on the app via Bluetooth, and you can control each individual light directly from the app. So rather than having to manually adjust each light, get up, tweak it, come back, sit in frame, see how it looks, I can just sit here on camera and adjust each individual light, and I can see in real time what's happening to my image as I adjust the lights. Now that's actually really common. Most lighting kits and lighting companies now have an app that you can connect to where you can just install it on your phone and control it all from your phone. But I already have Neewer lighting kits, so it just makes it easier to build out my scenes by staying with Neewer. Kind of like if you have an Apple Watch and a MacBook Pro and an iPhone, they're all connected. Kind of like that. They keep you in the ecosystem forever. You can never leave. Number four, there are plenty of lighting settings, including special effects. Now, my softbox lights also have plenty of lighting settings, including special effects, but the HB80C has additional lighting settings and special effects that the softbox lights don't have. So I thought I'd have some fun, go through and show you all the different special effects that you can do. Starting off, keeping it basic, we have a full library of traditional lighting sources like studio lights, day lights, cloudy lights, lamp lights, so on and so forth. We got the color picker, lighting gels, which essentially is just the color picker, but a little softer. And now we got the fun stuff, welding.
I'm just a working man in my garage, yeah. Working like a man in the garage is really cool.
Fireworks.
This is the best 4th of July ever, Billy. I love the United States.
Cop car.
This isn't good, boys. Wife's gonna be pissed.
Paparazzi.
Nate, do you care to comment on only having 8,000 subs after running a YouTube channel for 5 years? You're almost 30.
Defective bulb.
Oh, now I gotta change that. Owning a home is a scam.
Party.
I already showed you this one.
Candlelight.
Gather round. Let me tell you all the story of the Gaba Ghoul.
TV screen.
Breaking news, this is Chet
Brexton reporting live from Minnesota. This just in, your mom. No! CCT Pulse.
That's why I can't watch the friggin' Sox so much. Me too, man. I know, it's horrible. All right, I'll see you later, okay? All right, see ya. Ah! Oh my god! Fuck! You freaking seeing this kid? They're gonna probe me!
And this one's pretty cool. This effect is the music effect. So if music is playing, it will pulse the light to the beat of the music. Now, I don't have any music playing, but I'm going to make my own. And every single special effect gives you total control. Brightness, the color, speed of the flashing, so on and so forth. So the typical cost of this light is $230. However, at the moment that I am filming this, it seems to be way cheaper on Amazon, so go check it out on Amazon. Now, what I like most about this light is that it's small and it's wireless. Very similar to these mini RGB lights that I have from Aperture. They look like this, they're real small, they have all these special effects, they can do all these special colors. However, the HB80C is way more powerful than what these mini RGB lights can handle. These are good for like doing what I'm doing now, kind of just lighting the background. But because the HB80C has more power, I can use these effects on a bigger scale. So it's a powerful, portable, wireless light that I just think opens up a whole lot more room to play when it comes to lighting your scenes. Well, gang, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. My name is Nate. Keep telling stories, and I'll see you in the next